Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my review of a new type of foil heart balloon that I purchased recently. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. So they are the Party Woo foil hearts. This is my first time using these balloons, so let's give them a try. Let's open this up. So we've got some glue dots and we've got some instructions on how to inflate foil balloons. Nothing specific for this balloon. We've got 2 copies. And you get 2 pieces, you get 2 hearts with each pack. So I'm looking for where to inflate this heart. There should be a valve somewhere. There it is. So we're inflating there. Just insert the hand pump underneath the tab and then start to inflate. You can see it starting to inflate already. So you can kind of see the effect that you're going to get. I'm just inflating slowly to let the air pass through the heart. I'll just show you. So this part is uninflated, but slowly these little chambers are starting to inflate. I'm just going to carry on inflating. So I'm just going to push some of the air into these chambers that are far away from the valve. So as the chambers start to feel full, you're going to have to be quite careful that you don't overinflate. So I'm just pushing some of the air into the extremities of the heart. And then just carry on inflating a little bit more. And I think that's about full. All you need to do now is just tape back the tabs. So you can stick the tab to the back either with a glue dot or a little piece of clear tape. And they feel like they will be pretty durable. And being air filled, you can always easily just top them up. So when they start to deflate a little bit, all you need to do is get your hand pump and just inflate them a little bit more. I'm so impressed with this foil heart balloon. There were a couple of really nice surprises. So the first was getting a second balloon in the pack. So for the price, very affordable. And to get a second balloon in the pack, I wasn't expecting that. And this balloon looks absolutely gorgeous. It catches the light beautifully, so that's a great way to add a touch of glamour to any romantic celebration, whether it's Valentine's Day, an engagement, or a wedding. These come in a range of colours, but what really sets this balloon apart is the surface. So you've got this very distinctive cushioned surface, which is really very different. I love it. It's very different to the traditional very smooth surface of your traditional foil heart balloons. And these heart balloons hang really easily because dotted around the balloon, around the edges of the balloon, you've got these little pinprick holes that you can use to hang the balloon using monofilament. So that makes it very easy to hang. So just to clarify, you can only inflate these balloons with air. You can't inflate them with helium, so they are not going to float. Overall, I am delighted with my purchase of these foil heart balloons, and I'll leave links in the description below to where you can find these online. Thank you for watching, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, balloon tutorials and party planning ideas. And I'll see you again in the next video.